Today's video, we're going to be unboxing these sound activated LED lights. They flash to the beat of your music. They different brands of these, but these are the cheapest I found. They're $5. You can pick them up at Five Below. You know, they pretty cool. Five Below has a lot of budget friendly tech options, if you didn't know that. Enhance your experience with sound. Self-seeking adhesive. USB powered. Kind of like a simple LED strip. Now, I don't know if they got software or anything controls the sound. Usually the more expensive ones that are built in, like little thing can tell the sound and stuff. They're very pretty kits too for backlights on them TVs. I don't know exactly how good these is. And they definitely not going to be enough to do the TV I got. We get the instructions. USB on and off. USB strip, clean surface. It's pretty straightforward. Let's just go ahead and take this off and just see what they light up as. Now I do got a TV here in my office. I don't know if you guys have seen here or not. It's a big ass TV. And yeah, everything's a mess. I don't know if you can notice this or not. You can see it in the TV screen. We got the aquariums in the side here. We got a couch too, where I might do some podcasts here very soon. It's just a work in progress. I've been very busy. I need to get on the ball and finish it off. But let's go ahead and plug this in to my big TV I got here. It slid off the table, guys. It's straight on right now. Hello? Boom, boom. Hello? Okay. That is not as neat as I thought it would be. It's got modes here. We can hit this button here, change modes. Hello? Oh God. How about now? That is on all the time. Now, boom. How about now? How about now? Hello? Hello? Can we change color? Nope, it's just straight blue. Okay. I'm going to leave this here. We're going to turn the TV on. I'm going to mute the audio because of copyright issues. And I'm going to mute the audio in the video, not on the TV, so we see exactly how it performs. Let's turn some lights out. It would be nice if my controller here for this TV had a YouTube button. You can reprogram these in like downloading the app and stuff, but I just find it easier to just go manually to YouTube. So we're back at the video. These lights, I do gotta say, the modes that it has, the couple, they ain't implicated pretty good. I mean, they do light up. I mean, you can make them stay on all the time. So you could use them as technically a light source into a PC. But as for just decorations to sound and stuff, I just don't see it. But you got to think, what technology can you put in this for $5 to manufacture this, put it for sale? I mean, it's just ain't gonna be mind blowing. You can tell the difference in quality with this compared to a high, very expensive backlight kit for a TV or something. If that's something you want to see on the channel, let me know in the comment section. I'll pick this one up. We will do a 70-inch TV that I got hanging on the wall and see what it looks like. You know, this big TV we got on the wall here that we ain't did much to. And I ain't even got the cables put in the wall or anything. It's just, you know, nothing's finished in this room. So just let me know in the comment section if that's something you want to see. If so, I'll pick us up. You know, pick us up at when we get a video on it, get it on the channel, get you some new content. And for the people looking to buy one of these, it helps them out too. So for now though, I mean, if you just want one solid color, the sound, I just would set it solid. Get one of these. It'd be good for a computer or something. Maybe a little backlight for a monitor. I say gaming monitor is what this meant for. You know, very small one. It don't change colors though. It's one solid color, but it does state. Yeah. So, thank you for watching. See you next time. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing video and review.